Weddings. I've been to a couple of weddings. I have been to my own as well. But I never could imagine, I mean, unless you're like a superstar or something, very popular person, you would have 1,012 people guests at your wedding. That's a big number. You're gonna need a lot of tables, a lot of chairs, a lot of food, a lot of space to dance, a huge dance floor, because there's got to be dancing going on. Big speakers for nice, loud music or a band playing. So, tables. Speaking of tables, they're going to need one table. One round table will have up to 12 of those guests. 12 guests. So if we draw a round table, we could fit 12 guests there. Let's make each guest pink, a pink dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12 out of those 1,012 people. Still at least, so that's like still like 1,000 more people. So if you have one table, there's 12 people, right? Out of 1,012. So you just sat 12 people with one table. So you still have 1,000 more people. How many more tables? See, 1,000 here, because we just took that 12 minus 12 is 1,000. We still have 1,000 people. How many more tables will we need? How many tables will be needed? All right. So we're trying to fit. How many tables? There's 12 per table. So basically, how many 12s go into 1,012? That's really what we're looking at. This is repeated subtraction too. Because we could just keep subtracting 12. How many times do we subtract 12 until we get to the number we need? So we just did it once, right? 1,012 minus 12 is 1,000. So we just subtracted one time. We'll put a 1 over here. Let's subtract 12 again. I just know that's got to be 88. 988. So we subtracted 12 two times. We need to keep going until we get to 0, right? So that's repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is the same thing as division. So let's just duplicate the slide, erase a few things, and just get down to dividing, shall we? One thousand. 2 divided by 12. Oh, this is crazy. Division man, where are you? Or person, or thing, or woman, or whatever you are. Here we are. We are right here. Oh, wow. Thanks for coming to our rescue. You must have seen the beacon, the big light up in the sky, like we call Batman, but we called Division Man, or Batwoman, or Bat Person. Not bad, but bat. But you can be a bad person too, like Michael Jackson. Because I'm bad. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, here we go. So 12. How many times does 12 go? We're going to divide 12 into that big number. Well, how many times does 12 go into 1? We can't fit a 12 inside a 1. See, we're dividing, by the way. Just the eyes. Look at the eyes. The eyes have it. Let's extend. Oh, wait a minute. Let's put this little X here. Let's extend our place value to 10. How many times does 12 fit into 10? You can't fit a 12 inside of a 10. Silly. So that's going to be X. How many times does 12 fit into, let's extend it, 101. Now we're talking. How many 12s can we put into 101? And that, whatever that is, we're going to put it on the roof here, on top of the house. See, the house will make the house. What color can our house be? Pink houses. We'll make it a pink house. Hey, little pink houses, for me and you, pink houses. Who doesn't like a pink house or a pink Cadillac for that matter? You just asked Bruce Springsteen. You have no idea who that is, do you? Okay, anyway. See here, how many times 12 are going hard? So your choices are, you could put one digit in here on top of the house. You're going to see 12 times a one-digit number gets us as close to 101 as possible without going over. So our choices could be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, or 9. So I like to start in the middle so I could eliminate everything else that's either bigger or smaller. So let's try 12 times 5. 12 times 5 and see how close we can get to 101. See, 2 times 5 is 10. 5 is 6, 60. 60? Oh, we can go higher than that. We can go higher than that, right? So I know it's not going to be 1, 2, 3, or 4, and it's probably not going to be 5. I'm pretty sure we can go higher than 60. So what number do you think we could try? I'm just going to go in the middle of either 7 or 8, so I'm kind of guessing. This is guesswork. It's kind of like an art. 12 times, let's try 12 times 7 and see what we get. 12 times 7. Just in case you're wondering, I'm trying the 7 now. See if that works. 14. 84. I bet you we can go higher than that. Well, it's definitely not 5. It's definitely not 6. We could probably go higher than 7. Heck, might as well go to 9. Can I go to 9? Is that good? Oh, 9 is going to be too much, isn't it? Let's try 8. Pretty sure 9 is going to be too much. Okay, 12 times 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 8, 96. Yeah, there's no way we're going to 9. 96 is, so it's definitely not 7. It could be 8 or 9, but I doubt if it's 9. Because if I were to do 12 times 9, what would I get? I think it's going to be too big. 12 times 9, 18, 9, 108. Just a little too much. This bed's just a little too soft. This one's too hard. But it's not exactly just right, but it's right enough. 8 is the one who is right, just enough right. And where do we put that 8? On the roof, on the house. On the house means it's free if you ever go somewhere and get something to eat. And they say, hey, this is on the house. They mean it's free. But here we're talking about on top of the pink house. Our division thing. Divided by sign thing. Divided by. Okay, let's clean this up. I'll be right back. Oh, I love when the yellow eyes are done because the nose is not so bad. I hope you will know that it's not so bad. So we're going to take the 8 because we're on divide now, right? I'm sorry, we're on multiply. Oh my gosh. We're going to take 8 times 12, which we really just did, and I erased it. That's silly of me. Hold on. Here it is. 12 times 8 is 96. So we're going to bring that 96 right in line here with our 101. So we got to keep our places here, so to speak, lined up. So since we put the 8 here, we're going to line it up here. 96 goes here. And the next step is red, going to the mouth. Let's subtract. Subtract 101 minus 96. And that's going to be 4, 5. Yeah, I did that the easy way. I just counted up from 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's 4, and 101 makes 5. Anyway, I went like this. Anyway, let's skip it. You hear the one about the jump rope? Skip it. Okay, let's bring down. Bring down. We're going to bring this 2 down here. Bring it down. That's the body. 52. Hut, hut, hike. So now we repeat. Recycle the process. Divide again. But this time we're going to divide. See, how many times does 12 go into 52? How many times does 12 go into 52? How many times does 12 go into 52? And whatever that answer is, you're going to put it right here. It's going to be 1 digit. Your choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay. The rest is up to you. But just remember this. If you have a remainder here, that's people that aren't sitting at a chair. Or a desk, I mean, or a desk. I'm sitting in a chair and a desk. That's probably, I'm being a little biased here. I'm talking about a table at a wedding. Whatever here, that's people. These are people who are not sitting down. So are you going to have a table for them too? So whatever you get here, think about, do these people have a table? Just saying. Just saying.